Spill all the tea.
Okay.
Spill all the tea means to reveal gossip or secrets. Example, come on, spill all the tea about what happened yesterday. Usage, we use spill all the tea in casual, informal conversations when asking someone to share gossip, juicy details, or secrets. It's often used in friendly and light-hearted situations.
And was Dua Lipa on X Factor? I wasn't on X Factor, but
X factor refers to a unique quality that makes something special. Example, her performance had that X factor that captivated the entire audience. Usage, we use X factor to describe an elusive quality that makes someone or something stand out or excel, often in entertainment, business, or personal attributes. It's frequently used in discussions about talent, charm, or charisma that cannot be easily defined but is clearly noticeable.
how do we create a song that encapsulates a really fun
Encapsulates means to summarize or express something briefly and clearly. Example, her speech perfectly encapsulates the team's hard work and success. Usage, we use encapsulates when we want to summarize or represent the essence of something concisely. It's often used in writing or speeches to show that a complex idea has been simplified.
leaned into
death part?
much more turmoil.
Wow.
Turmoil means a state of great confusion, disturbance, or chaos. Example, the country was in turmoil after the sudden political changes. Usage, we use turmoil to describe situations where there is a lot of disorder, confusion, or uncertainty. It's often used in contexts related to emotions, politics, or social unrest.
I don't, but I bloody wish I did.
Bloody wish expresses intense frustration or annoyance over a desire. Example, I bloody wish they'd stop playing loud music at night. Usage, bloody wish, is often used in informal British English to emphasize frustration or annoyance about something you strongly wish for but don't have or can't control. The word bloody adds emphasis and can make the phrase sound stronger or more emotional. Be cautious, as bloody is considered a mild swear word in some contexts.
At 3 o'clock in the morning, and who do I bump into but my parents?
Bump into means to meet someone unexpectedly or by chance. Example, I bumped into my old friend at the grocery store. Usage, we use bump into in casual conversations to describe accidental meetings or encounters with people, often implying a sense of surprise or spontaneity. It can be used in both social and professional contexts.
And then I got bullied about it a lot. And so I
Bullied means being repeatedly harmed, intimidated, or harassed by someone stronger or more powerful. Example, she was bullied in school by a group of classmates who constantly teased and mocked her. Usage, we use bullied to describe situations where someone is consistently mistreated, whether emotionally, physically, or verbally, by another person or group. It is often used in contexts like school, work, or online environments to talk about unfair and harmful behavior.
is homesick Dua Lipa about. It was
Homesick means feeling sad or longing for home when away. Example, after a week at camp, she felt really homesick and missed her family. Usage, we use homesick to describe the emotional state of missing home, often when someone is away for an extended period, such as during travel, school, or military service. It's common in discussions about feelings and experiences related to being away from familiar places and loved ones.
a lot of people ask me what radical optimism means.
Radical optimism is believing in positive change despite challenges. Example, her radical optimism inspired the team to tackle tough projects confidently. Usage, we use radical optimism in discussions about attitudes toward change, social movements, or personal challenges. It refers to a strong, unwavering belief that positive outcomes are possible, even in difficult circumstances. This phrase is often used in motivational contexts, leadership discussions, or self-help conversations.
Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.